Hey guys, Yash this side. Welcome back to my channel once again. So guys, today I will discuss about the skills which are required for data science as well as for machine learning job roles. So I did a search on various websites and then I found that these are some skills which are required, like programming skills, business intelligence, database statistics and many more for specific positions like for data analyst, data administrator, machine learning engineer. So the motive of this video is to tell you that what are the skills required for these fields. You don't need to study each and every skills for the specific position. If you are interested for machine learning engineer, you don't need to study in depth about database management or cloud. So these are some skills and job roles which I am sharing with you. So let's talk about first data analyst. For as we know, for data analyst, the main purpose of the data analyst as employee is for data. So for data, to clean the data, he requires specific programming knowledge by which he can clean the data. So the programming language which I am saying is basically Python or the R language. As you all are aware of, Python as well as R. These are the languages which are basically required for machine learning as well as for data science. So the programming language which I told you is Python and R. The business intelligence which is required for data analyst, like how should the business should grow. Like for example, if I keep with bread and butter, should I keep milk along with the bread and butter in the shopping mall to increase my revenue. So these are some business intelligence ideas. The database management is not much more important for data analysts. Again, statistics is not much more important. Data wrangling seems to be much important. Machine learning is not much important for data analyst role. Deep learning is least required, and mathematics and cloud. Coming back to data administrator, the data administrator is the job on which right now many people are looking for. Again, the languages, programming language is required for that, but business intelligence idea is least required because they do not predicting anything. Again, the most important, database, they work on database. So database is required, statistics least interested, and the data wrangling, because they work on data, so they need to data to be in organized manner and everything. And the cloud, because they used to work on cloud data as well. Coming back to machine learning engineer, this is the high end and the most in demand job right now going on, machine learning engineer. So for this we require a programming language which is Python or R. Business intelligence idea seems to be same which I give you in data analyst. Database is not much more required here, but statistics plays a very big role in their machine learning. Data wrangling is also plays an important, like data cleaning, how data cleaning pre-processing is done by exploratory data analysis. And the machine learning algorithm is the most important for that. Deep learning is also the concept of machine learning only, but for machine learning engineer you should also know some techniques for deep learning like keras and PyTorch as well, and the linear algebra which I already told you, and the least work on cloud as well, like the deployment section, like on AWS, Google Cloud, Azure or Heroku platform, they require a cloud as well. For BI developer basically works on, as I should say, I can say here, Tableau, or I can say Power BI. These are some skill set required for the BI developer role. Actually, BI developer also plays an important, but most of the people are looking for machine learning only. Next is the data engineer. Like as I can told you, data engineer jobs are also in demand. Like I should tell you, MDocs is the company which are rigorously hiring for data engineer only. Data scientist plays a everyone's dream is to become a data scientist, as I know. So for data scientist you require programming skill, which is same Python. A business intelligence idea is the most important. Database management, they you can say data scientist is a kind of full stack developer. I am not relating the same, but it's a kind data scientist seems to be a full stack. You can see him as a full stack developer. Like he should know programming language, he should know business idea, he should know database, statistics, data wrangling, cleaning, exploratory data analysis, and everything. Data machine learning algorithm, deep learning algorithm, and the linear algebra. So he knows, he should know all the fields of data scientist. Data architect is also in demand, but if you are working for data architect, you should more focus on data scientists, because data scientists are highly in demand. So guys, these are some skills required for all the job roles, whether you are talking for data science, whether you are talking for data administrator, ML, BI, data engineer, data science. So I searched them on the internet. I found this one, so I thought I should share with you. I hope this will help you, and if you like this video, please share the video along with all your friends or over the community of data science or machine learning. And please like this video, share this video, and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.